Hey guys, so here's a massive update. If you're someone who use a lot of AI tools and have to pay for different AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini or Grok, then I have a solution that will cut your cost and keep you organized. The solution is from Bluehost, yes, the popular domain and hosting providers, and they have launched the all-in-one AI model, the Blue LLM, and this is a multi-modal AI for content, research, and workflows. This means that by subscribing to just Bluehost, you get to enjoy other large language models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and even Grok. And not only that, you get to enjoy different versions of these LLMs. Basically, all you need to do is come over to the Bluehost LLM interface, and you can click right here to select the model that you want to use. For example, you can use the Bluehost GPT. You can select GPT, Gemini, Claude, Grok, or whatever AI you want to use. Right now, let's just go with the Claude Sonnet 4.6. And after that, you can interact with the model using the chat interface right here. At the right hand side, you could activate web search, and you can also upload a file right here. So in this example, I'm going to upload a file and work with that file. And as you can see, I have uploaded a paper right here, a PDF, and I'm going to put in an instruction. And my question is, outline the major outcome and key findings of this research paper. And I'm going to hit on the search button. My document is being processed, and as you can see right here, the PDF has been processed and it has given the outline and the key findings right here, as you can see. So guys, instead of subscribing for ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok separately, all I have to do is subscribe for the Bluehost multi-modal AI, and I'm going to get all of this just in one subscription. This means that I can create my images using Grok 4.3, I can do my research using Claude or ChatGPT, and do other internet research using Gemini, all from one platform. So therefore, I think this is actually a win-win situation if you are someone that actually subscribes to all these AI models. Interestingly, the Bluehost AI comes with some pre-built AI agents. You can see the AI research agent if you're a researcher. We're going to go into this and I'll show you an example just in a moment. And we also have the AI article writer. If you're a writer, you can already start writing interesting articles with this agent. And also we have the AI presentation builder. Let's try out the AI research agent. If you click on it, it's going to take you to this interface where you can actually tell the AI what you would like to research on. Just type it in right here. And you can also set the length of the report, for example 2 to 3 minutes report, or you want a 5 to 6 minutes report. So if you want a more detailed report, you will go for the 5 to 6 minutes. However, for this example, I'm going to click on a short report for about 2 to 3 minutes. And all I have to do is enter my topic right here. And this is my topic: perform a literature review on ethical use of AI in research. And if you come to the right hand side, you can attach files if you want to include some guide. And in this case, I'm just going to click on the send button so that it starts the literature review. And right here, you can see the workflow of what the AI agent is doing. It's going to perform some series of tasks and come up with a response. As you can see, the literature review on my topic is ready, and we have the introduction right here and other parts of the literature review, and I think it did a really good job with this. And down here we have some references, and you could also ask a follow-up question if you need more answers. So guys, if you're someone like me who is into research and also like creating AI generated images for social media, then I think this tool would be a very good plus, because now I can use Claude to do my research, and I can come in right here. If I want to create an image, I can come in and select Grok 4.3 and prompt an image, for example. So this is my prompt right here: create an image of a professor teaching his students in a forest. And I set my aspect ratio to 9:16. So I'm going to send this, and I'm using Grok, as you can see. Let's see what happens. So right here, it's generating the response. I'm going to give you some few minutes and let's see the results. And here we have it. You can see the image is fully generated and it did a very good job. And you can easily download it with this button. One other feature I like about the Bluehost AI interface is that within a chat, you can actually change the AI model, that is the LLM that you are using to generate your response. So you can see after generating this image, you can easily click on this. It's using Grok right now. So we can actually select this drop down and then change the AI model we want to use for our generation. So I changed the AI model to Claude Haiku and it has regenerated the image, as you can see right here. And I think that can be useful in a lot of cases. So guys, to get started, you just have to click on the link in the YouTube video description and in the pinned comment, and it will take you to this page on Bluehost where you can subscribe for the Bluehost multi-model LLM. And with this, you're able to get ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok all in one subscription for just $20 per month. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing AI tools. And let me know in the comment section, are you going to ditch other AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini for Bluehost LLM? So let me know in the comment section if you're going to make use of this AI tool. And I'll see you in the next update.